Not apart.
Let it rip, baby.
Oh, my stomach's rumbling.
Let it rip.
It's quite silent but violent.
I don't want to smell that shit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. A little beat today from the Honda Civic. But today, we're going to work on the Q50. We got new lip, and he just got some wheels for it.
Surprise, surprise.
Yes, sir. Full send, dude. The car game's coming back. Oh my God, I got a pimple on my ass and it fucking hurts. Dude, I couldn't sleep yesterday on my back because my pimple. I couldn't sleep on my side because my runny nose. Fucking allergies and my pimples, my God. Yeah, Q50 is about to get some new shoes. And they're still breaking.
Yeah, parts. I did overnight shipping, but won't come until Monday, so because it's a weekend. I don't think they ship on weekends.
Then hopefully someone gets the timing belt so we can change it out on the Honda because it's just fucking annoying.
It's hella loud. The audio.
Dude, I rewatched some of the videos yesterday. Yeah, I couldn't hear anything. Oh my God, just.
Today I got my new car, and it's really amazing. You can do. Oh, you gotta do this. You gotta do the.
Hey, we did get that part where video freaking mode, or Sony mode, huh?
Max barely stopped recording when it happened.
So here's the story. So we're working on. What were we doing? We were tightening bolts or
putting the transmission in.
Or putting the transmission back in. And all of a sudden, it's always pretty loud. You know, he talks really loud and stuff. But then we were working, he was focusing, but it was like really quiet. All of a sudden you just hear the most softest.
No, he was moving the tranny and all of a sudden you hear. It's kind of sexy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I thought it was girl mode for a second, but damn, that shit was sexy though. Yeah, Somi's moaning during sex, not the girl. God damn, dude, he got the spot on, like. Alright, enough fucking around. Let's get this on jacks and get the wheels out and we can reveal it to you guys. Just got the wheels out. You guys ready to see them? They look pretty damn good. These are Rohanas 18, oh no, fuck, 20 by 10s, RC9s, plus 22, 255, 35, 20s. Really big. Hopefully we can get these fitted. These are pretty fucking nice wheels. I ain't gonna lie. How much you pay for them? 1,300? Not bad, dude.
That's including sensors.
Damn.
Oh, what sensors? Oh yeah, they put new cars out.
Him and Peter Prum are gonna match and we're gonna go shoot their cars, so it's gonna be so sick. Oh yeah, it's time, baby. Oh, damn. 20s are heavy. Holy shit. I got 20s on my truck.
Did that OEM like that?
Ah, my pimple on my butt.
These tires are directional, right?
Oh shit, wrong one. Rotation's the other way. This one.
These are all around, right?
Yep. Oh fuck.
Oh, fuck!
Uh-oh.
Legs don't fit.
Uh-oh.
You can get extended looks at O'Reilly's too. They have some. That's what I use for my RSX.
Like a tuner look?
Yeah, tuner looks. They have tuner looks.
Shit, so we have to go.
Woo! Wee.
Oh, it's not a poke. Shit.
What do you think about?
Jesus.
Already our first problem. Lug nuts don't fit. Yeah, you gotta get the tuner lugs. It's a little skinnier.
Yeah, you got. Did you get yours at O'Reilly's too? I think O'Reilly's had them.
Got mine on eBay.
That's so much poked up. Even when it drops.
Holy shit.
Damn it. Fuck.
No, this has a natural front camera.
Yeah, let's check though.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
You guys want to see the world's fastest water truck?
That's it.
Ready?
I'll put a timer right here. Ready? Oh, you must suck dick hella good.
No. Just pour it on me.
You must suck dick hella good.
Wow.
Alright, let's do that right here.
Water, you want just water?
Just got the wheels on. Well, they did.
Higher too.
But damn, look at the Fitment though.
Yeah, with the lip on it too.
Woo!
You hella make me want to rush my car into it. I'm taking my time, but I'm not rushing it.
Dude, that looks hella
Damn, look.
I was scared for the Fitment at first, but
No. Dude, that looks insane.
Yeah,
That's perfect.
Insane good. But turn your car on. So that way you turn the steering wheel and I'll tell you on the left if it's...
Oh, that's gonna fuck, dude.
I'll tell you when to stop though. I'll tell you when to stop. So that
Just
way.
go lower. You'll clear better if you're lower.
No, it's not. Fuck.
They already did it already.
Hold on. Okay, watch that side. Make sure. Alright, stop.
No go, bro.
You need low gap. You need to have that low gap.
Either you roll your fenders or gonna gap your wheel, but this.
I'm okay with going a little higher. I'm okay with it.
For now.
I say a quarter inch.
No, like half an inch.
Half an inch.
Half it. Quarter won't do shit. Quarter would be like this. Just go half an inch.
Bye. See you later, okay?
Aww.
See you later.
She gotta go back to her other daddy.
Mom. Mom.
Check this out. Today's video is a fail. I broke the bolt that locks this collar. And
Fucked up my tires.
one of the tires is fucked up.
So we have 3 lefts, 1 right.
Three of them rotate right and one of them rotate left. Right?
No, 3 lefts.
3 lefts, yeah, same shit. We're supposed to have 2 of each, but we got 3 and 1. Today's a failed day, but look at this. Other half's right here, and the other half's just sitting back here.
Let's just move the car back up and then we'll just wait till this week.
Yeah, it's supposed to be an easy day.
Plus two.
Can you drill out the bolt right now? That way it's out already.
We're gonna wait. Fuck. I'm gonna buy you a new one anyways. Might as well just fuck with this one, see.
Probably just buy a whole new collar, huh? Would be better.
Yeah, collar and bolt. Fuck me, man. Today was a fail. Kinda sad. I'm sorry we didn't get all the wheels on for you guys. Gonna wait for that collar to come in and then take one of the wheels to go get it all fully rotated, because they put one of them on wrong. So thank you for watching. We're gonna go fishing right now. It's only 4 o'clock, so we're gonna head up there and see if we can go catch some more crappie. Other than that, I really love you guys. Hope you guys been enjoying the content lately, because I really enjoy making these videos for y'all. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.